with some things and don't work with others. Just to let you know, 4 pills is a good backup for it. I'll see you. Yeah, Roger, 806. You got that ground plane working again, man.
Hello, nature boy. Hello, nature boy. Hello there, nature boy. Have a good day, nature boy. 817 Mobile waving. Hello, nature boy. 817 Mobile out there around Tempe, Arizona. Bye.
There's man, no pain, no strain. Tell nature boy I can't. I said hello, man. Top of the afternoon time to him. 817, 815, 711. I had to spin away from you. That boy's throwing sand on your ass. 1, 2, 3, go.
Contact 123. You put that wave on nature boy. Hey, 123. You put that wave on nature boy. Put on you later. 123 nature boy. 817 road to 5. I'm getting down. Contact. You wrote it. You slow keyed. But I you later. 123. You're welcome. Bye.
I'm doing all I can. Hey, one blind plug your ears now, because as soon as you came off key, I can't believe you got on it. Hey, 15, don't play them games. Key the same time. I see you. Hey, bye.
Yeah, he's playing with an 8 pill. Hey, Danny, he's playing with an 8 pill. He's playing with an 8 pill too. Bye.
On 817. Quincy. Everybody, 815.
Right back out there, Quincy. Hey, Quincy, up there around Louisville, Kentucky. I got it. Dig it, Q. Have a good day, Quincy Jones, 817 Mobile, waving. Bye.
33. What's going on out there in the PRG? 1, 2, 3.
Contact Quincy Jones. Have a good day, Quincy, 817 Mobile, downtown Tempe. I'm reading the mail.
You scared me, Mr. Elmo. Every now and then we'll put it on you later, man, with your mean self. 333 over in the Keystone, Erie, Pennsylvania, Mr. Elmo. I got to go. Bye.
833, I hear you down in Tempe, Arizona. Hello, 333 in the Keystone, 817 Mobile, waving. Bye.
Patience